If you want to disable automatic restrictions on Zelle, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find restrictions settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section related to restrictions or transaction limits. This is where you can manage your automatic restrictions. Step 4. Disable automatic restrictions. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the restrictions, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save or confirm button and tap it to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on Zelle. Always remember to review your account settings regularly to ensure they meet your needs.